Bus, Tete, Coco, Honda. Bus, Tete, Coco, Honda.
Let's welcome our host, Sorteo 2022 Commissioner, Dindo Tiago, and our Municipal Administrator, Melanie Contemplato Altares.
Good evening, Carmona! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Melanie, and sa lahat ng naririto po ngayong malamig na gabi. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is a very special opportunity na maging bahagi ng monumental event na ito ngayong gabi. Excited ka na ba, Melay?
Excited na dito at napakalamig ng gabing ito. Gayon din, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nagpaunlak sa ating unveiling ng landmark na ito at sa ating Christmas lighting 2021. At sigurado ako na excited din ang lahat ng ating mga kababayan dito.
Oo naman, kaya sa lahat ng nandito po ngayon, let us spread the good news. We can also share our program tonight through our Facebook Live. Just search o hanapin nyo lamang po ang Facebook page ng Municipality of Carmona, Cavite. I-share po natin itong good news na ito para masaksihan po hindi lamang po ng mga taga-Carmona, kundi ng sambayanang Pilipino. Ito pong ating ginagawa ngayong gabi.
Ng buong mundo dito. Kagaya ng sinabi mo kanina, this is a momentous event. Para sa akin, this landmark will symbolize LGU's continuous efforts to make our town even more progressive for everyone and for the next generations.
I agree, Melanie. So sigurado na magiging iconic at kilala ang landmark na ito pati sa ating mga karating na bayan.
Kaya, huwag na natin itong patagalin dito upang magbigay ng isang mainit na pagtanggap sa lahat ng ating mga panauhin at sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan, ang ama ng bayan ng Carmona at ng Carsigma, ang ika-5 distrito ng Cavite, ang napakasipag at tunay na maaasahan, a man with a vision,
Mayor Roy M. Loyola.
Governor Chanvic Remulla, represented by Board Member Paolo Poblete Crisostomo, to our Congresswoman Dalia A. Loyola, sa ating Sangguniang Bayan, panguna ng ating Vice Mayor Cesar Ines Jr., mga punong barangay, SM Development Corporation President Jose Marie Banson, honored guests, at sa lahat ng aking mga kababayan, isang mapagpala at malamig na gabi sa atin lahat. Noong Mayo, nasaksihan po natin ang pagbubukas ng isang malaking opportunity para sa ating minamahal na bayan. Hangad natin ang mas mataas na kaunlaran para sa lahat. Kaya naman matapos ang masinsing pag-aaral at mga konsultasyon sa napagpasyahan po natin na pumasok sa isang joint venture agreement sa pagitan ng Pamahalaan ng Carmona at ng SM Consortium. Ito po ang inaasam-sam natin na bagong pagkakataon patungo sa mas progresibo at mas maunlad na Carmona. Papalad tayong na sinuportahan ng Provincial Government of Cavite ang hangarin natin ito. Lubos ang pasasalamat namin dahil sa tulong po ng ating butihing Governor John Vic Remulla, ng ating Vice Governor Jolo Revilla at ng mga miyembro ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan, na-aproban po ang ating panukalang ordinansa para makapagpatuloy ang ating joint venture agreement kasama ang SM Prime Holdings, ang SM Development Corporation. Ito po ang nagpatibay ng matayog na pangarap natin para sa ating inang bayan. Now, to mark the start of our journey towards greater development, we are now finally going to unveil the new Carmona Smart City landmark together with the Christmas lighting. My fellow Carmonians, this landmark signifying the strong partnership between the SM Consortium and our local government in our endeavor to establish Carmona, the next smart city in the Philippines. As we gathered tonight, allow me to convey my heartfelt gratitude to all our guests and to every one of you who made this event possible. It is truly an honor having you all here to witness this momentous event together with us. To our partners from the SM Consortium, President Jose Marie Banson, thank you for believing in the potential of our municipality and providing us with this once-lifetime opportunity. Governor John Vic Remulla, through his representative board member Paulo Crisostomo, thank you also for gracing us with your presence tonight. Lagi kami magpapasalamat sa walang sawang suporta na ipinaabot mo sa bayan po ng Carmona. Most importantly, to the people of Carmona. We dedicate this new landmark to all of you. Let this be a symbol of our commitment as we fulfill our enduring pledge to bring forth greater progress for our beloved Carmona. Umpisa pa lang po ito ng pagsasakatuparan ng mga plano sa ilalim ng Smart City. Marami po tayong kaabang-abang na mga proyekto at mga programang masasaksihan. Hiling ko po na patuloy niyong ipagtiwalaan at suportahan ang ating mga programa sapagkat wala po kami hinangad kundi ang kabutihan at kapakanan ng ating mamamayan. Sama-sama po natin harapin ang magandang kinabukasan. Join us as we transform our municipality into a commercial and financial district here in the province of Cavite. Let us all look forward to a Carmona that is progressive, dynamic, and true evolving while continuing to honor and serve our history and our community. Maraming po salamat. Mabuhay po ang bayan ng Carmona. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor Roy M. Loyola. Melanie, sabi nga ni Mayor kanina, ito ay simula pa lang ng napakaraming magagandang bagay na maaaring mangyari para sa ating bayan at tiyak na magbibigay daan sa pag-unlad, lalong pag-unlad ng ating bayan.
Dito, tulad ng nasabi ni Mayor Roy, this Smart City Landmark shows our commitment and service for Carmona. And as a Carmonian, this is something that we can be truly proud of.
Tama. Bago tayo magpatuloy, muli inaanihan natin ang lahat ng naririto ngayon na pakishare niyo po ang link ng ating Facebook Live ng ating programa na matatagpuan sa Municipality of Carmona, Cavite Facebook page.
In my veins, I've been driving this train is in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, oh. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.